Good morning, first grade. This week's spelling words are called contractions. A contraction is when you take two smaller words and squish them together. For example, if you had can and not, like I cannot believe that we are not in school. If we squish those two words together, we would get can't, and we would write it like this. We would keep the can, but we would squish the not into it by going like this. We're going to put just the T, and we have to put this little tiny line right there that's called an apostrophe. An apostrophe flies in the air to hide the letters that fell out. So, for example, I have lots of different examples to show you. Here's cannot, using a slider box. So, we have can and not, and when we slide the two words together, the apostrophe is hiding the second N and O. So we have can't with the apostrophe. Here's another example. We have is and not. And when you slide the apostrophe to make it one word, you're going to have isn't. And the apostrophe is just going to cover the O. So isn't is I-S-N apostrophe T. Another example is she is. If we combined that and made it a contraction, it would be she's, like she's going to the store. So when we move that apostrophe over, the apostrophe just covers the I, because she is S-H-E apostrophe S. Here are a bunch of other contractions. What is becomes what's. I am becomes I'm. She is becomes she's. He is becomes he's. Did not becomes didn't. Has not becomes hasn't. Is not becomes isn't. And do not becomes don't. You might notice that on lots of these words, if the second word is not, the letter that gets squished out is the O. So the apostrophe goes between the N and the T. That's what usually happens. If you're adding the word is, like she is and he is, the letter that goes missing is the I. So the apostrophe goes where the I used to go. That's everything you need to know about contractions. Check out the links below for a brain pop video about contractions and a music video about contractions. And also there's an activity below of how to make your own slider boxes, just like I did.